For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The whole world has been waiting with bated breath over the announcement of H-1B visas. In the latest effort to bar the entry of immigrants to the country, Trump administration has now temporarily suspended a wide variety of visas. The latest includes temporarily suspending of H-1B visas till the year end 2020. According to the Trump administration, the suspension of visas will generate employment for the citizens of the United States as unemployment rate has soared in the wake of the pandemic. The US President put out a plan a few weeks back in order to suspend H-1B visas. Trump had signed an executive order temporarily halting work visas for highly skilled workers. Visa holders already in the US and those applicants who have already received a visa are exempted from the ban. The restrictions are intended to last until the end of the year. This would disrupt the US government's typical process of awarding new visas at the beginning of the national fiscal calendar in October. This decision is likely to have an adverse impact on thousands of Indian IT professionals. Several Indians on the visa have already lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Tech officials have even cited immigration curbs as a factor that would force companies to relocate more of their operations overseas. This is an effort to hire and retain top technology talent.
The technology industry is working overtime to keep Americans connected during a global pandemic by providing food delivery services, telehealthcare, collaborative business solutions, and ways for families and friends to stay connected. Looking forward, technology will continue to be crucial to the rebuilding of our economy. Today's executive order only hinders the ability of businesses to make decisions on how best to deploy their existing workforce and hire new employees. This will slow innovation and undermine the work the technology industry is doing to help our country recover from unprecedented events.
According to reports, officials expect these new restrictions to last until the end of the year and expand the immigration bans that the Trump administration put in place in April. Estimates provided indicate that roughly around 525,000 people will be unable to enter the country as a result of the expanded travel restrictions. That includes 170,000 green card holders barred from entering the US since April. A Trump administration official called the initiative an America First recovery that would potentially open up 5 lakh jobs for out-of-work Americans. Technology executives are already voicing their displeasure with the reported ban. Banning all H-1B visas means CEOs like me have to open offices to hire more people in countries like Canada that allow immigration. The visa ban is morally wrong and economically stupid. What happened to being for legal immigration? Investors are also up in arms about the decision's impact on America's ability to compete. However, healthcare workers, COVID-19 researchers, food supply workers and food packaging are all exempted from the visa suspensions. Many of the Republicans, which is Trump's political party, have also opposed this move by the US government. We should wait and watch as to whether more drama will unfold into this issue in the months to come. The US presidential election is slated to be in November this year, and Donald Trump is preparing hard to conduct campaigns.